Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to use voucher on Binance. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. If you've received a cashback voucher, trial fund voucher, or fee rebate voucher and you don't know how to activate it, don't worry. I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and complete verification before using vouchers. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on Rewards Hub. This is where all your vouchers and rewards are stored. Inside the Rewards Hub, you'll see available vouchers like cashback voucher, trading fee rebate, trial fund voucher. To use one, tap on the voucher you want to use. Press Use or Activate. Some vouchers activate instantly, while others require you to trade or complete a task. Cashback voucher automatically refunds part of your trading fees after you place a trade. Trial fund voucher allows you to trade futures without risking your own money. To use it, go to Futures. Open a trade as usual. The trial fund will be applied automatically. Fee rebate voucher reduces your trading fees when you trade spot or futures. Before using any voucher, always check the expiry date. Read the terms and conditions. Make sure you're using the correct wallet, spot or futures. If your voucher isn't showing, try updating your app from the Google Play Store. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.